So make an extension, black on black, white on white, and then that's going to be your ground. Can you reach your ground? Yes, you can. You might have to lift it up a little bit.
Take the bit out.
Did it fit underneath it? Yeah? Okay. Put it under there. And squeeze it down. Alrighty. Okay. And then how do you tuck that? You just tuck it, bend it? That's it. It's no hazard at all because it's grounded and those caps are on the thing, right? Okay. But did you notice that oh, never mind. All these things are by your ground. But that doesn't matter, right?
No, I'm going to move all that.
Okay.
It's all, I'm putting all my garbage in there.
No, don't worry about it. I got it all. We got it. I'm going to bring a garbage pail in here. And he used one of these for that. And white on white. Oh, and so I see. Is that the way it is with all wares? White, black, and green?
Mm-hmm. Or bear.
Excuse me?
Or bear.
Or bear. Okay, yes.
Yes, just about everything is just white, red, or black, white, and green or bear.
Now that bear one, isn't that a lot exposed, or it's totally fine? Doesn't
It's
matter.
fine exposed. It's meant to be exposed. It grounds everything exposed.
Right.
So in case anything touches this, it uses that to go straight to ground and trip the breaker.
Cool.
A straight path.
And what breaker is there, Casey? No, it's plugged into the tiny house, so there is a breaker actually in the tiny house. Fluorescent lights, they don't take too much power, do they?
This takes 80 watts.
Yeah, that's right. They're 40 each. Okay.
Which is so.
All right. So now you're gonna put your covers right behind you when you're.
I gotta dump this thing first. 'Cause I just poured all
No, no.
She's videoing it.
Why? The dirt's not okay in there, Casey? What's wrong with you? That's going in the truck. That goes up to Lowe's. That's why. I'm in a little dirt. Oh, that's it. It's already wired. It's already wired. It's already grounded. And I just got to put my light bulb.